What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Buckeye State Overland. I am your host, Cameron Salapak, and we're going to clean up the frame finally. Now, I have it mocked up to where it's kind of going to be, but I have to level it and make sure everything's all lined up, ready to go before I can even weld it on. And even before I can do that, I have to clean up the frame. There is some pitting that's on there, but I have some stuff to fill it, which is like a rust encapsulator. So that way it's going to be a strong point to where I can weld to. And that way, because this is the frame, I want it to be safe. I know it's me, but I still like to be safe.
Much later.
What is up, guys? We're currently working on the pitting on the frame, and so I've taken a wire wheel, or whatever the heck you want to call it. I've been using that to get into all of the grooves where the rust is, clean it out, and then I have a rust inhibitor that I'm going to paint over it, sand it down so it fills in those spots, and then I'll be able to weld on top of it. Pitting is now cleaned up and ready for welding. Extension on, everything is nuts on as far as leveling and everything else. Now it's just time to weld it all together. Anyways, this is like day 3. So, next thing's next is going to be putting the body, which I have actually on the frame, and then kind of sizing up the floor pans, getting what I need cut out, seeing what's left, and measure, mark, and cut.